Before we begin this video, we have an airdrop program where the first 20 lucky viewers will receive an airdrop of 10 XRP tokens. To participate, all you need to do is register an account on the WEX exchange using the registration link in the description and watch the entire video to get the password. Simply comment your UID of the registered WEX account, the password from this video, and your BEP20 wallet address in the comment section below the video. Good luck to everyone. If you think the crypto cycle is over, think again. What's coming for XRP could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Introduction and market overview. Hello and welcome to MMO Crypto, your trusted source for in-depth insights into the crypto market. Today we're diving deep into XRP, a token that continues to capture global attention. Looking at the 7-day chart, XRP currently sits at an impressive $1.39. While many believe this might be the peak of its performance, let me tell you, this cycle is different, vastly different, from anything we've seen before. Bitcoin is dominating mainstream media, with coverage and promotion on a scale we've never witnessed. The conversation is evolving too. It's no longer just about price action. People are starting to focus on utility, real-world applications, and the transformative potential of these assets. But here's the kicker. Despite the noise, some believe this run is already over. Could they be right, or are we just getting started? The skeptics are quick to point out that XRP hitting $1.61 may signify the end of the line for this bull cycle. But let me be clear, this run hasn't even scratched the surface of its potential. Comparing this to past cycles, the energy and momentum building now feel entirely new. It's not just XRP holders feeling the anticipation. Bitcoin holders, too, are questioning whether the peak has been reached. Yet, historical patterns and market dynamics suggest the opposite. We're not just looking at numbers, we're looking at a shift in sentiment, attention, and utility-driven growth. So whether you're new to XRP or a seasoned holder, stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to MMO Crypto for real-time updates and strategies to stay ahead in this ever-evolving market. Don't miss a single moment of XRP's journey. Imagine a market where Bitcoin stabilizes, XRP strengthens, and all signs point toward an explosive altcoin season. Are you ready for what's coming next? Bitcoin holders are buzzing with speculation. Could $99,000 be the peak? Many are starting to doubt its potential for another big move. But here's the thing, Bitcoin isn't done yet. Market analysis suggests it still has one massive push upward, potentially breaking expectations and setting new milestones. On the 7-day chart, Bitcoin is stabilizing after some turbulence, but the real story lies in its dominance. XRP, on the other hand, is showcasing remarkable resilience. While Bitcoin consolidates, XRP remains steady, building momentum for its next upward surge. This stability is crucial. It signals strength and a readiness to capitalize on shifting market dynamics. And there's more. Bitcoin dominance is falling, a clear indication of capital rotation. This isn't just noise, it's a sign that the market is preparing for a shift. When Bitcoin dominance drops, altcoins step into the spotlight. Capital begins to flow into these assets, giving them a larger share of the market. It's the kind of momentum that leads to exponential growth. Ethereum, for instance, is already seeing an uptick in dominance. The writing is on the wall. Altcoin season isn't just a possibility, it's on the horizon. What's fascinating is how these trends align. As Ethereum dominance rises, it reinforces the broader narrative of altcoin strength. XRP, with its unique position as a utility-driven cryptocurrency, stands to gain significantly. This isn't just about price charts, it's about understanding how capital flows shape the future of these assets. Will Bitcoin's next move ignite the market, or will XRP take the lead as dominance shifts? The clues are all here. Are you paying attention? Stay informed and ahead of the curve with MMO. If you're looking to understand market dynamics and capitalize on upcoming trends, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. Altcoin season, the market's most explosive phase, could be just around the corner. But when exactly will it begin, and how will XRP take advantage of this shift? Speculation about altcoin season is heating up, with some experts predicting it could start as early as this weekend, while others suggest mid-December might be the more likely timeline. Regardless of the exact timing, the signals are clear. The conditions are building for altcoins to shine. The key indicator: Bitcoin dominance. As Bitcoin's dominance over the market decreases, it reflects a critical shift in investor sentiment. This drop often signifies that capital is being pulled from Bitcoin and redistributed into altcoins. Historically, this has marked the start of powerful rallies across the altcoin market. Ethereum is a prime example of this trend. Its dominance chart is rising, signaling a flow of capital into its ecosystem. This movement not only strengthens Ethereum's position but also sets the stage for other altcoins to gain momentum. XRP, with its utility-driven narrative, is perfectly positioned to benefit from this capital rotation. The interplay between Bitcoin dominance and altcoin strength is a critical dynamic to watch. As Bitcoin stabilizes and Ethereum gains ground, assets like XRP are poised to ride the wave. The timing might vary, but one thing is certain: altcoin season is coming, and it promises to be transformative for the market. Will this be the weekend that kickstarts altcoin season, or are we gearing up for an even bigger surge in December? Either way, the opportunities are massive. XRP's recent breakout has caught the attention of skeptics and institutions alike. Is this just the beginning of something bigger? XRP has shown remarkable resilience and strength in recent weeks, standing out even in a challenging market environment. Since the election, its price has surged beyond $1, silencing doubters who believed it couldn't break this psychological barrier. This upward momentum showcases XRP's potential, especially as we approach the much-anticipated altcoin season. What makes this performance even more impressive is XRP's ability to outperform Bitcoin during this period. While Bitcoin has stabilized and faced its own challenges, XRP has pushed ahead, demonstrating its unique value proposition in the crypto landscape. This isn't just a speculative rally, it's a reflection of growing confidence in XRP's utility and the infrastructure supporting it. On the institutional side, the launch of a money market fund by Arch on the X-Ledger is a groundbreaking moment. This initiative not only highlights the network's capabilities, but also marks the first time such a fund has been introduced on the X-Ledger. It's a clear signal that institutions are beginning to see XRP and its underlying ledger as more than just a digital asset. They see it as a foundation for real-world financial solutions. The convergence of price performance and institutional adoption creates a powerful narrative for XRP. This cryptocurrency isn't just riding the market's waves, it's carving a path that aligns with long-term utility and trust from major financial players. With XRP gaining ground both in price and institutional trust, could this be the start of its next major breakthrough? Could stablecoins be the savior of the US dollar in the digital age? Let's explore the transformative role XRP could play. The regulatory landscape for crypto in the United States is set for a seismic shift, particularly with the focus on USD-pegged stablecoins. New regulations will define how these stablecoins are issued and backed by reserves, ensuring transparency and security. This is a critical development as 99% of stablecoins today are denominated in USD, cementing the dollar's dominance in the digital space. Stablecoins are no longer just tools for trading, they've become pillars of the evolving digital economy. This regulatory framework could act as a saving grace for the US dollar, helping it maintain its relevance in global finance, especially as other nations, such as China and the BRICS alliance, vie for their own reserve currency dominance. These nations are working toward alternatives to challenge the dollar, creating a global currency war that is reshaping the financial landscape. Amidst this competition, XRP emerges as a crucial player. Acting as a trust layer and bridge asset, XRP facilitates seamless transactions across borders and between currencies. It not only enhances the efficiency of stablecoins like the digital dollar, but also serves as the connective tissue between different financial systems. This role positions XRP at the heart of the global monetary transformation. The importance of XRP in this context cannot be overstated. As stablecoins continue to grow and regulations provide clarity, XRP will strengthen not just USD-pegged stablecoins, but also the broader financial ecosystem. This alignment of technology, regulation, and trust is what will define the next era of finance. As the US gears up for stablecoin regulations, will XRP solidify its role as the ultimate bridge in the global financial system. Crypto adoption is happening faster than expected. Are you ready for the global shift that XRP is leading? As we witness the worldwide embrace of digital assets, nations are racing to establish their frameworks for crypto regulation. Leading the charge is the United Kingdom, preparing to implement comprehensive crypto regulations by 2026. Ripple and XRP have already secured their place in the U.K.'s financial ecosystem, with integration into the Bank of England systems and proof of concept completions signaling their importance. But here's the twist. Timelines may be much shorter than anticipated. With global adoption accelerating rapidly, experts predict significant changes by 2025 or even earlier. This urgency is driven by a combination of regulatory clarity and technological advancements that are pushing crypto-friendly nations to adopt faster than initially planned. In the European Union, MiCA markets in crypto assets, regulations have already paved the way for clear rules governing digital assets, setting a high standard for other regions. Meanwhile, crypto hubs in Asia and the Middle East are aggressively pushing forward innovation in blockchain and digital finance. This global momentum isn't just about policy, it's about positioning for the future. As traditional finance merges with digital ecosystems, XRP is emerging as a linchpin in the transformation. Its seamless integration capabilities and strong partnerships with institutions worldwide ensure that it remains at the center of this evolution. With timelines accelerating and adoption soaring, XRP's role in the new financial era is undeniable. Will you seize the opportunity? Did you know XRP's true purpose was never for retail investors? Here's the real story. XRP has always been designed with institutions in mind, not retail traders. Ripple's director has openly clarified this, emphasizing their primary focus on XRP as a financial asset for institutional use cases. This means leveraging XRP for its unparalleled bridging capabilities to facilitate fast, cost-effective transactions between financial systems worldwide. Retail trading, while important for creating initial liquidity, introduces unnecessary noise into the market. For institutions, this noise is irrelevant. Their interest lies in XR potential as a tool for scaling global payment systems, reducing cross-border transaction costs, and unlocking liquidity in real time. What's fascinating is how these institutions are preparing for the future. They aren't just buying XRP for immediate use, they're accumulating it strategically, understanding its long-term value proposition. With institutions planning to hold XRP for extended periods, scarcity becomes a significant factor. As the circulating supply diminishes and demand increases, the value of XRP is likely to see exponential growth. This institutional shift underscores the importance of XRP's utility. While retail investors focus on short-term price movements, institutions have their eyes set on the bigger picture, transforming global finance with XRP at its core. As institutions accumulate XRP for long-term use, the question remains, are you thinking like a retail trader or an institutional visionary? XRP's future value isn't just about price, it's about scarcity and global utility. Are you ready for the bigger picture? The true potential of XRP lies in its built-in scarcity mechanism and its increasing role in institutional adoption. With every transaction, XRP's supply decreases by a small percentage -0.01%. To be precise, while this burn rate might seem minor, its impact becomes substantial when transaction volumes reach the trillions of dollars. Imagine billions of XRP burned in just a few days under such conditions. But there's more. Institutions, unlike retail traders, approach XRP with a long-term perspective. They're not buying to sell quickly for profit, they're acquiring XRP to hold as a critical component of their financial operations. Whether it's for cross-border payments, liquidity management, or bridging fiat currencies, institutions will rely on XRP for years to come. This extended holding period further reduces the available supply in the market, amplifying its scarcity. For retail investors, patience is the key. Many are tempted to sell during early price surges, but doing so risks missing out on the exponential growth driven by institutional adoption and global financial integration. As XRP's utility grows, so will its value not just in price, but as a cornerstone of the evolving digital economy. The burn rate, combined with institutional holding strategies, means XRP's supply will diminish over time. The question isn't if XRP will become scarce, but how quickly its scarcity will transform its market value. Are you prepared to hold XRP as it transitions from retail speculation to institutional dominance? Think the crypto cycle is over? Think again, big moves are just around the corner. The crypto market is far from finished. Bitcoin still has room to grow, with projections exceeding $100,000. Altcoin season hasn't even begun, and the opportunities ahead are immense. While some voices in the space are prematurely declaring the cycle over, causing unnecessary doubt, the real action is only just beginning. This is the time to remain focused and confident in the potential of XRP and the broader crypto market. The next phase will bring opportunities for those who stay patient and stick to their strategy. Remember, markets reward those who prepare and stay informed. The excitement isn't just about price movements, it's about witnessing a financial revolution unfold. Altcoins like XRP are poised for incredible growth as institutional adoption and regulatory clarity take hold. Stay positive and don't let short-term noise distract you from long-term gains. Don't miss out on what's coming next. Like this video, subscribe to MMO Crypto, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest insights and strategies. Together, let's navigate this evolving market and make the most of the opportunities ahead.